Hey everyone, welcome back. I hope you are doing well and having a fantastic week. In today's look, I'm doing a post-op plastic surgery look. There is no wrong way to do this. You can use any medium you like, eyeshadow, cream paints, water-based paints, or alcohol paints. And speaking of eyeshadow, if you like this look here, knowing that I pair glam and gore together, if you like some more tutorials about some glam makeup, let me know. List that in the comments below, and let's just go ahead and get into it. To begin, I'm using some purple eyeshadow, concentrating the bruising of the eyes closer to the inner corner and buffing that out along the top and the bottom part of my eye for more saturation. And I'm also going in with blue to make it more bruised. I am using ColourPop palettes, and I will list those in the links below, and going in with some yellow because fading out from the blood that goes up under the skin. Once it gets thinner, it turns a little bit more yellow and it's not as concentrated in the bruise. Using medical gauze and several different types of medical tape, I place this over the bridge of my nose to replicate a rhinoplasty. Because this is a special effects makeup, I'm making it as haphazard as I possibly can for more drama. Using my blue eyeliner, I'm going in and drawing a physician's marker all over the face with arrows for lifting in the facelift. Just something that indicates that we do have plastic surgery going on, so I'm marking my chin, and I do this on the forehead, on each side of the temple of the face. Painting a red line in the hairline and close to the earlobe because I'm going to draw in stitches, and that is part of the facelift. This is the area that gets stitched back after the skin is lifted. Why I like to use waterliners is because with a Q-tip and some water you can get the color off and do your design. There's no wait time and there's no harsh chemicals that's going to leave your skin oily if you had to use a makeup remover to remove an eyeliner pencil. Going in and making black stitches along the red line that I created in the facelift, and I do this on each side. Now I like to revisit looks that I've done before. If you see me do a look like this that's mostly paint without prosthetics, do know that I will revisit a look and use nothing but prosthetics. I will make it a little bit different because I want there to be a tutorial out there, something for everyone, and this one is the easy one to do with paints or makeup, and it's a fun one, so I decided to go with the more bold in color and the bigger stitches so it translates better onto the screen. I mentioned in my last video that I've had a neck fusion. You can tell that this look was getting to me, having to push my face for so long from one side to another, but I pushed through it. Now going in, I am over outlining my lips just to make these lips look bigger than my natural lips and make it look like I had a lift lip. And I am using the staple look instead of stitches for this, just for a different variety of plastic surgery techniques. I am still using my water-based eyeliners for this look because I am pushing in other product on top of it, and I did not want a oil or a gloss in a lipstick to do this. So if you don't have waterliners, you can also use water-based paint as long as it's dried before you put in these staples. And I'm taking black and going and outlining the bottom and the top around in the lip. And I go in and put a couple of stitches into the middle. I use just a little bit of white to highlight those staples, and it's the same white that I used to highlight these stitches that went around the face. I am using the red blood tone in my alcohol based paints because once I put running blood over that, I don't want that line to go away. And with a black waterliner, I go in with one line stitch, letting that dry, and back in, crossing over to get that stitch effect. Again, using white for highlight. Stippling in some alcohol paint for blood, using my finger to smudge it out. I want this blood to look dry. And going in with my gel blood, this is going to also run, but it's a little bit thicker. I wanted that right after surgery look. So I'm popping around the stitches in the ear, the stitches in the forehead, around the nose. I used Vaseline up under the eye area and bruising, and on the lips for the skin to look more shiny and tight. A little bit more blood, just have fun, make it as bloody as you want. Here is the final look. I hope you guys had fun with this one today, but do never forget that you are beautiful just the way you are, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.